Hello, dum-dums. Welcome back to my Catalina 27 channel. Nice to see you. A previous owner used to leave the wire halyards laying against the mast, and it trashed the anodized surface, leaving me to choose either to paint it or clean it up somehow. For me, though, painting anything but the bottom is always the last resort. It takes way too long to do it properly, and it looks great for about 10 minutes. Then it starts to look worse than if you just left it alone. So I sanded it down with 320, then 400 grit sandpaper, leaving it with a brushed finish that was still smooth enough to wax. I looked into all the new ceramic coatings and didn't like that they are so very permanent and very streaky if not applied perfectly, which you only have one shot at. Then I saw the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax, which goes on like regular wax but has some silicone dioxide in it. Silicon dioxide? Silicone dioxide? Yeah, it's got the nanoparticles, the ceramic stuff in it, so it only lasts for a year, but it's easy enough to apply, and I go up the mast at least once a year to inspect the rig anyway. In worst case scenario, I get to do another negative product review, which I'm getting kind of used to. Interestingly though, a few days after I waxed the mast, I spilled a few drops of teak oil on it. I didn't discover this till the next day and saw this little crater left behind after the teak oil had dried. What's interesting though is the depth of the crater. It looks to be maybe a couple thousandths of an inch deep. The film thickness of this cured ceramic wax is way thicker than expected. This gives me a hope that this new ceramic wax stuff is not just another bullshit product making unrealistic claims like the ones infecting the ever-increasing ads on YouTube. So anyway, confidence is high regarding my little experiment. Time will tell, and so will I. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Complain about the ads. See you next time. Later. Like, comment, subscribe.